I'm probably the first person you've watched that did a FabFitFun review that looks like they're dead. Basically, I am. I just got off of work, as you can tell, but you guys already know I look like this in almost every video, so you probably couldn't tell. But if you're new here, I do not look like this outside of work. But yes, FabFitFun box here. This is the trial. So if you have a friend that is in FabFitFun, they could send you a trial offer, link type thing to your email. They'll get points and you'll get a box for $5 only shipping. If you don't like their stuff, just cancel before they charge your next card, you know. So this is the box. As you can see, pretty flowers, FabFitFun. It's got some weight to it, so I'm super excited to open it. Got my knife, and I'm gonna slice it open. Thank you, Kim. All right, so the box is opening. FabFitFun, adorable box. All right, so on the top it has, I've heard about these. All right, we're all right. All right, let's just all fall out. I just choked up my spit. I'm so sorry. All right, on the top it has this pretty paper. Oh my God. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. And this adorable paper pamphlet that tells you everything about the products and about the company, all of that good stuff. So let's go through it together. All right, right off the bat, this thing that fell out. Delicate Skin Cleansing Gel, chamomile extract with licorice, and yeah. Half of this stuff I'll most likely give to my mom and sister, so that's the one. And they give you full sizes. It is not like Ipsy. They don't give you small stuff. This is heavy. Pier 1, it's me. 3 mini ceramic prep bowls. Stop. Are you freaking kidding me? Sorry, box. These are so cute. These are from Pier 1. I'll show you the box again up close. And then these are so cute. I hope they are microwavable. I love these. I love Allie. Shout out to Allie. She gave me actually a lot of stuff, but I love little bowls. You could use them for dips. You could use them for ice cream. So much. Freaking adorable. Well worth it for the trial at least. And then if you want to keep it, then just keep it. So Pier 1 ceramic bowls. And then if you don't know certain stuff, you can just go through and just read. Gives you yoga poses. This is definitely, probably take that on my wall and do those every night. Probably not. Next thing in the box is flight mode skincare, high altitude hydration mask. Super cute. I'm not gonna open it just yet. And then it looks like the last thing in the box is freaking cube. I read this and it says packing cubes. It's freaking huge. Packing cubes. That is so cool. How do they know I needed this stuff? How? Oh my God. So they come in one bag. It has a mesh part so you can see what's inside of it and a zipper on the front. So let's go ahead and open those up. And I believe it's 3. They all look the same, just different sizes. And then a small one. How cute. So these would be freaking amazing if you travel. You could put this in that bag and just travel with it, girl. Yes. So this is what I got in my trial kit FabFitFun box. And that's amazing. Now, from what my understanding is, you could get a lot more stuff. This is just a trial box, which is a freaking amazing trial box. A lot of companies don't offer this, but again, this is amazing. So if you're into skincare, into getting good, they even give you Michael Kors Coach, and it's a pretty good deal for all of that stuff. And you get a cool magazine that's not actually boring to read. I kind of looked through it, and it just, yeah, self-care checklist. It's good. Keep it. But yeah, I'm very excited about these bowls, to be honest. But super excited. I will not be keeping these because I cannot put these on my skin. But other than that, I will be basically keeping everything. Yes, everyone. See you next time. Bye. Thanks, Kim.